1 minute, use if error. Remove error. After you use Vlookup function, first click on the top cell and add if error function. Double click to choose function. Comma and tab double quote 2 times. Close parenthesis and enter. Okay, check the outcome here. The error removed from if error function ready. For example, have a student permissions today. So just write the date and choose the ID for the student. So the function is automatically because we use Vlookup function. But the error is removed. Okay, with the remove error functions is done. See you next video.